Welcome. In front of me is DELL 7320 Detachable, and in this video I will show you how to enter the recovery mode on this device. So before you enter recovery mode, you'll have to know that if you misclick something there accidentally, you'll have to recover the access to your account using recovery key that are connected to your Microsoft account, the one that you are logged in with on your device. So first of all, let me show you how to get the access to the recovery keys in case you lose access to your device, so that you can easily recover it. So let me switch the display for just a second. Okay, so open a web browser and search for aka.ms/myrecoverykey web address and press enter. And in the following window, you'll have to log into your account. So let me translate this page for you real quick. Enter your login, so your email or your phone number, click enter, then enter the password on the following page, and then click enter again. And once you click enter, you will see the page with the recovery keys. Please continue. Then you can click yes or no, whatever. And on the following page, you will see the columns with the device name, recovery keys, and so you just have to find the device name that is the same as your tablet's or laptop's device name, and find the according recovery key to it, and then you can write it down, especially if you're opening this page up on the same device. In case that you lose the access to your device, you'll be able to recover it using this recovery key. And that's basically it. So now let's return back to the tablet. Okay, so now that we are here, there are several ways to enter recovery mode, but the surest one is to simply reboot your device while it's rebooting. So first of all, let's turn off the device by holding the power key for a while, for a longer one, about 15 seconds I think. And once it turns off, press the power button again to turn it on, and then when it turns on, turn it off during the startup process by holding the power key again for 15 seconds. Hold it down. Okay, I think we didn't succeed, but let's try again. Okay, turned off. Now let's try turning it on again. Let's check. You should see "please wait" sign on your screen. This will suggest that we are entering recovery mode. Okay, right now I just turned it off during startup. Let's turn it on again. Wait until it starts to boot up. Okay. And right now we just have to wait, so don't turn it off if you see a sign like this. And let's give it a while. Okay, and right now when you see a screen like this, click on advanced options. Or okay, so the touch screen doesn't work here. Excuse me. So connect the detachable keyboard to your device and click Advanced Options. You can navigate using your arrow keys and select using Enter button. So press Enter button on Advanced Options, and we are in a recovery mode. So you can go to the troubleshoot, for example, Advanced Options. Again, you can navigate using your arrow keys and select using Enter. So now you can select any of the available options. Since you have your BitLocker recovery keys, you don't have to worry about anything. For example, let's go to Startup Settings and select Restart and check if this goes well. So our PC is, as you can see, the BitLocker just locked the PC. So right now we'll have to enter the recovery key, press Enter to continue, and then enter the recovery key for this drive. Let me locate mine real quick, so I will return to you. Okay, and so as you can see, I just entered the recovery key for my PC. So right now, what I have to do is simply press Enter, and you too, if you happen to be in such situation. Okay, the recovery key is incorrect. I guess I'll have to try another one, don't worry. Okay, so it worked for me the second time, and I hope that you found your key successfully too. And so at this point, this will be the end of the video. So thank you for watching it. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.